Oh. I just saw the first card kanina, the Five of Coins, and now the Queen of Wands. It looks like this person right here is admiring someone. It could be this person here is admiring you. Okay, parang all of the above, no? Kumbaga sa mga choices, mga babes, no? Lahat ay chinikan nyo rito. This person here likes you so much. But the Five of Coins energy, no, na nakita natin kanina, no, or that number 5 itself 'no, yun naman talaga yung pinaka, nakukuha kong mensahe 'no. This is that kind of energy that there could be something here na parang harang, parang wall na nakapagitna sa inyo. But we'll see, okay? Kasi parang hindi naman ito gano'n ka-heavy na ating reading 'no, but that is an indication 'no, okay, Five of Coins man yun or kahit maging Five of Wands yun, the number 5 is still the main focus, okay, which is, okay, something here na nakikita natin dito na parang bagay na parang malabong mapagbago or mabago ngayon, okay, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na, imposible ng mabago ever, okay? Are you getting my point here, sweethearts? Let us see. Someone here could be desiring you. Let us see. Let's all together figure this out. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, this could be your energy, but this could also be the energy here of someone you're connecting with. However, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede rito magkapalit-palit yung mga roles, pero may mga nakikita ko ditong energy mo ito, pero pwede ring energy ito ng person na kakonect mo. Okay? Oh, okay. Kumbaga sa flow ng, emotions and feelings consistent rito ha, consistent siya rito sa emotions and feelings niya for you or baka ikaw 'to 'no, na consistent yung emotions and feelings niya for you. We have the Page, Knight, and King of Cups. We're talking about the emotions, feelings 'no? So yeah, let us see. Sun, center of the reading 'no, priority niya ang iyong happiness right here 'no? Okay. Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, yun. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Judgment, Six of Cups, Lovers, Energy. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome, new subscribers. Returning tambayers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support ang binibigay sa akin. At kung hindi niyo pa meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. At dyan ay nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs every day. At yan, wala rin po tayong gender, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung mga roles dahil general reading ito ay at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. If you want to claim the messages or not. If you want to use it as your guidance or not. So here, this person here with the Four of Swords energy, Four of Cups in reverse right here. We have here the presence of the High Priestess. This person here, hindi siya gumagawa rito ng kahit na anong hakbang. Hindi siya gumagawa rito ng kahit na anong aksyon. Not because this person here wants to lose this opportunity right here. Hindi kasi inuuna niya ang inyo ritong happiness. Ha? Miss Yan, anong ibig mo sabihin? Bakit anong klase ba ang sitwasyon na nakikita mo diyan? Bakit inuuna niya yung happiness ko? Wala siyang ginagawa? Ayan, no? Alam mo kung sino man to? It could be your friend right here. Okay? It could be someone here close to you. It could be someone here who's always around you. Lagi mong maaasahan. No? This person here could be someone na lagi ka ritong inaasar pero palagi namang present. No? With a Cups right in here, palagi naman siyang present dito, no? Mapa may problema ka man rito, kahit may ginagawa ka, iniistorbo ka niya, inaasar ka niya, no? Yan, ganyan. This friend of yours is definitely in love with you. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede niyong baliktarin kasi pwedeng kayo ito, na in love kayo, no, dito sa friend na 'to. Pero you're staying quiet right here. You're not talking about your feelings and emotions. You're not telling it to him or her. You're not confessing, okay? You're not doing anything, okay? Or pwede rin namang siya ito. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, halo-halo na rito yung ating energies. May energies na kayo ito, may energies na siya naman ito, no? Okay? So, nakikita natin dito, no, that with this presence of Four of Cups in reverse, this person here, hinahayaan lang niya rito, no, na walang gawin, walang kahit na anong aksyong gawin, particular sa kanyang tunay na damdamin, kahit na consistent ang flow ng kanyang emotions and feelings for you. At bakit niya rito sinasabi na yung happiness mo ay ang pinaka-priority niya, no, at yun ang kanya rito inuuna? It is because with the Two of Cups energy, Six of Coins energy, you are someone here na meron kang ibang minamahal. Pwedeng in relationship kayo rito and you are happy with that person. Okay? So doon, mga babes, no, happy na rin siya na nakikita niya kayong happy rito. No? Basta masaya kayo, dun din siya. Yan na, see? This person right here is not someone who's greedy, no? This person right here is hinahayaan niya kayo rito, no? Na nasa loob kayo ng isang relationship na kung saan masaya kayo at nakikita niyo yun rito. Kaya, this person here is keeping his or her own damdamin from you. High Priestess right here, dinadaan niya na lang ito no, sa mga palagi niya ritong pagsulpot, pag kailangan mo siya, lagi siyang nandyan when you need help, no? He or she is always around you, guys, no? But maintaining distance when it comes to his or her emotions and feelings for you. Yan, no? Kaya kung sino mo 'tong energy na 'to, this person here is in love with you. Matagal niya na kayong minamahal rito and the presence of Knight of Cups energy is an energy right here, no, na ang attention niyo lamang ang gusto niya ritong makuha, no. Alam mo, maybe you're asking this person kasi I'm seeing that you're close enough or this person here kaya niya mag-open up sa inyo ng mga problems niya and so you do, no. Gano'n din yung ginagawa ninyo, like a friend, no, someone na nakakakuwentuhan mo. Yung iba puwedeng hindi naman kayo as in super close 'no, pero kakwentuhan mo siya or nagkakakuwentuhan kayo about buhay-buhay ninyo, nangyayari sa inyo rito mga life 'no, 'yan. May mga gano'ng klase ng energies 'no. This is a friend right here 'no, na puwedeng coworker din ng iba sa inyo because that's also appearing right here. But this person here, lumala na talaga yung kanyang emotions and feelings, pagmamahal for you. This right here, okay, alam mo nung una ka niyang nakita bago pa kayo naging magkaibigan, this person right here, tinamaan na agad sa'yo. Page of Cups right in here, ito ang matagal na nagmamahal. At tingnan mo nga naman yan, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, ngayon ay King of Cups energy. Aba, wala na talaga. Hulog na ito sa iyo. Fall na talaga itong tao na to sa inyo. This person here ay talaga namang fall in love na talaga sa inyo. Fallen in love na talaga dito ng very, very, very deep. Kaya naman, this person right here is someone na nirerespeto niya rito ang inyong relationship with someone you love, no? Kasi nakita ko dito na pwede rin naman na bago siya dumating sa life ninyo, you are already in a relationship here, no? Or yung iba naman sa inyo na pwedeng wala naman kayong ka-relationship nung una kayo naging magkaibigan dito, no? Pero, this person right here, no, is alam niya siguro na may iba kayo nagugustuhan, no? And you are someone here na pwedeng alam niya rin na baka hindi mo siya magugustuhan, no? Bilang isang man or isang woman na pwede mong mahalin. Maybe this person here is also thinking because sa kanyang thoughts, nakita din natin Two of Wands energy na baka gusto mo lang ay siya ay isang friend dito or whatsoever. Basta, nakita ko rito, you are looking for someone else. You are in love. Others of you, you are already in a relationship here with someone. So, hinahayaan niya lang ito. No? At yung iba naman, pwedeng kayo ay kasal na or married na. No? Basta, meron kayo ditong minamahal at nasa loob kayo ng isang happy relationship. So, hindi siya dito para makigulo kaya kahit na may feelings sa'yo, yung friend mo hindi niya ito sinasabi sa'yo 'no, dahil ayaw niya rito 'no, na kayo ay maguluhan and at the same time, maging awkward kapag siya ay nandiyan 'no. Yun na nga lang yung gusto niya rito, yung makausap kayo kahit wala kayong nalalaman patungkol dito sa kanyang emotions and feelings, pero sinabi ko na, so paano ba 'to? Spoiler. Yun yung reading niyo lang namang hindi ko 'to ikanta mga babes. So, speaking of kanta, kakarinig ko lang ngayon mga babes 'no. Maybe this time it'll be love and yan 'no. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. Okay, bakit kasi yung sunod kong babanggitin dito, we have here the Two of Cups right here, no, Six of Coins, Wheel of Fortune. Miss Yan, teka lang. Sabi mo hindi siya rito makikigulo kasi ayaw niya ma-confuse ako. Sabi mo Miss Yan, ayaw niya rito maging awkward ako sa kanya. Bakit parang yung kanta ay related diyan sa parang aamin na ba siya ng emotions and feelings? Hindi. Pwede ba kumalma ka muna, sweetheart? Umupo ka diyan and inhale, exhale. This person right here, no, that song is related to what I'm gonna tell you guys. Thank you, spirits and angel guides, no, because with the Wheel of Fortune, Two of Cups right in here, no, Six of Coins, yan, no, and very, very strong na atin ditong confirmation, judgment energy, Six of Cups lovers, no, eh, hahayaan niya kayo rito na magmahal ng tao talagang minamahal ninyo ngayon, no. Pero, sa next life, bawi na lang, yan, no, or parang sa next life, bawi na lang, 'no? Sisiguraduhin daw niya na sa next life, kayo namang dalawa. Ayan, 'no? So, parang nagpapalaya siya rito kasi alam niya na masaya ka sa feeling rito, 'no, ng kung sino man yung taong minamahal mo. A lot of respect ang meron dito, 'no, sa iyo rito, 'no, na secret lover who happens to be someone close to ya or a friend of yours, 'no? So, nakita natin dito that this person here is someone na magbabantay pa rin sa'yo. This person will stay as your friend no matter how long it is, 'no? And yung iba sa inyo puwedeng natatanong niyo siya rito na parang, "Bakit ba parang wala ka pa ring girlfriend, boyfriend hanggang ngayon?" 'Yan 'no. May ano ka ba, ano, meron ka bang parang problema? Sabihin mo sa'kin ganyan, ganyan 'no. So, parang kayo 'to nagtataka na rin kayo minsan 'no, na parang bakit ganyan, wala pa rin siyang ka-in relationship, ayaw niyo ba muna ngayon ng love-love na 'yan or whatever 'no. Pero yeah, okay, yung person na mahal niya is hindi naman available kasi ikaw yung person na yun. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, iba sa inyo puwedeng meron kayo ritong another crush, meron kayo ritong boyfriend, girlfriend na, may asawa na kayo rito, may ka-in relationship na kayo, may in short, may iba na kayong tinitingnan or may iba kayo ritong love, yun yung nakikita natin dito. So this person here is appearing someone who is a secret admirer, who happens to be your friend too, at nakikita natin dito 'no, na bawi na lang daw next life 'no, at sana sa next life kayo namang dalawa, you know, maybe this time it'll be love that they'll find. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. So baka naman sa next life, more than friends na kayo at pwede na kayong maging lovers. Dahil nakikita ko rito, no, nasisiguraduhin niya na kung sa next life ay magtatagpo kayong muli. Yan, no, sisiguraduhin niya, no, na yung pagkakataon na yun, no, ay siya naman ang iyo ritong iibigin. Bongga guys, na alam ko hinihintay ninyo yung initials, may mga numbers din tayong nakikita, ano, kaya naman simulan na natin ito. We have here the letter T, the letter N, nandito din po ang letter U, plus we also have here the letter R. Mawawala ba naman dito ang letter G, and last but not the least, the letter C. So, ayan mga babes, and for the numbers, I'm picking up right here number 4. We also have here number 2. And last but not the least, nandito rin ang number 6. No? Indications yon na posibleng this person here is looking for the victory with the number 6, spiritual number. 2 is an indication that you guys, no, isisiguraduhin niya na kayong dalawa na nga ang perfect two sa next life na iyon, no? And number 4, this person here will stay in love and remain faithful sa feelings and emotions niya up until your next life. Yan, bongacious talaga yung ating nakuha ritong energy from this person right here. Pwedeng initials yan mga babes or nagsa-stand out din. Baka may birth dates din kayo dyan. Pwede rin naman na yun yung mga next numbers na pwedeng maging anniversary, special number ninyo sa next life. Dahil this person right here is someone, no, na nakikita ko rito that will remain faithful with his or her true feelings and emotions for you, and nothing is impossible, no, kapag ka-love talaga ang nagwagi dito, no. Sabi nga sa kanta ni IU, love wins all. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Please do check out other channel. Link is down below dyan. Nalagay ko sa ating description box. Again, I'm Yuriana. Oni for the girls and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang hiya, love and light mga mahal. Annyeong.